Why outsource your architectural projects to Vietnam? Nowadays, as technological development touches every single household, outsourcing service is more and more popular all over the world. A variety of architectural firms are choosing this service to save costs and scale up their businesses. In Vietnam, architectural outsourcing service is considerably improved. Many companies are concentrating on training young teams, including energetic and active workers and experienced leaders aged from 25 to 35. Obviously, with this young engineer and architect force, Vietnam is one of the most attractive destinations for architectural companies. Outsourcing CAD in Vietnam is a raising demand for international companies, and below is a list of the 3 most beneficial reasons for outsourcing CAD and how it can increase the value of your business. 1. Lowering cost. Evidently, one of the primary factors for outsourcing is the benefit of cost reduction. Through accessing Vietnamese sources of labor, CAD drawings become more competitive and the cost for those services is lowered. Moreover, your firm is less likely to need to hire full-time CAD staff when your business does not always exhibit such a demand. By offloading the cost of hiring and training employees for a position that does not require full-time employment, you can boost your margins and reduce the burden of time-intensive investment in employees. Knowing what your business needs from CAD will help you determine if outsourcing is right for you. Therefore, it is important to consider that many businesses are choosing to outsource more non-core tasks. This fact indicates a growing trend of outsourcing becoming an indispensable part of domestic business strategy. 2. Time advantage. Taking advantage of a diversity of time zones proves to be a strategic asset for many businesses, as it can reduce project timelines without sacrificing the quality of the work product. Your business will be working around the clock, even though you will not have to. For instance, if your business is in the USA and our service is located in Vietnam, the time for implementing a project is almost 24/24, which increases the competition of your company while reducing the workload for staff. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone, why not? 3. Focus on core business tasks. Offshoring CAD drawings proves useful for many businesses by keeping the focus on your in-house employees and the growth of your company through sourcing new clients and contracts. Reducing your discretionary management responsibilities will free up precious time to focus on strategies that allow your business to thrive and become more competitive. We help your business grow fast and smoothly.
Contact with us. WhatsApp +84 388 344 230.